Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story is a short video that quickly explains the disconnect and distrust between law enforcement and the public. Many viewers of this channel have had personal experiences with cops that were objectively unfair, dishonest, and unreasonable. Situations that are unjustifiable and cruel. In this video, William Keyser was working as a trucker and blew a tire. He made his way to a repair shop to have it fixed. The shop, being fairly busy, prompted Keyser to park and wait in line. After about an hour, two uniformed state police officers pulled in front of Mr. Keyser's truck.
Really?
Be nice. Last time that happened.
Stop!
Hello, sir. Cooper Hassenfeld State Police. The reason I'm jumping out with you here, you got an issue with your tires on your trailer.
I know, I'm in line.
Oh, are you waiting for that
Yeah.
to get it fixed up? You know that you're missing, you're treading your mud flaps jacked up under it?
Yeah, I'm in line.
Okay, well, I didn't know you were in line.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a violation of commercial motor vehicles. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
You're kidding me, right?
No, sir, I'm not.
I'm in line at the repair shop and you're coming over here and doing that.
Okay. I need to see your license, registration, proof of insurance.
Let me guess, you're his trainee, right? Let me guess, you're his trainee, right? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Truck maintenance is extremely important, not just to comply with federal regulations, but for road safety. The DOT's Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration maintains numerous regulations for vehicles with the purpose of protecting motorists and surrounding communities. But encounters like this is the reason that there's a lack of respect for the DOT among the trucking community. Fortunately, Mr. Keyser wasn't cited. If the trooper did issue a ticket, it would have likely been dismissed, but the time and energy needed to be spent on such an arbitrary stop would have been ridiculous. The trooper would still get paid for engaging in this unethical behavior, reinforcing his belief that he could and should continue doing this. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.